Dear students, today we have to study chapter number 11 Magnetic Materials. Introduction. Previously, in 11th standard, we have studied magnetic dipole and magnetic dipole moment. Now, see here, when a bar magnet is suspended freely, then it remains along the geographic north south directions, that is N and S direction. Question number 1. Derive an expression for time period of angular oscillation of a bar magnet. See here, time period of angular oscillations of the bar magnet will be calculated as follows. Now, angular SHM is analogous to linear SHM, which is given by equation d2x upon dt square is equal to minus omega square into x, equation number 1. Here omega square is equal to small m into b divided by capital I. Hence, omega is equal to under root small m into b divided by I. Equation number 2. Therefore, time period of angular oscillation of the bar magnet is T is equal to 2 pi upon omega is equal to 2 pi divided by under root small m into b divided by I is equal to 2 pi into square root of capital I divided by small m into b. Therefore, capital T is equal to 2 pi into square root of capital I divided by m into b. This is equation 3. Equation 3 gives the time period of angular oscillations of the bar magnet. See here. Next point, origin of magnetism in materials. Some materials behave like a magnet, but some other materials don't behave like a magnet. To understand it, consider the build consider the building blocks of any materials are atoms. That is, atoms are building blocks of any materials. In an atom, negatively charged electrons are revolving around a nucleus. Next point, nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. See here, proton is represented by P and neutron is represented by N. That is, P plus N are present in the nucleus. And nucleus is at the center of any atom. Now, students, see here question number 2. Obtain an expression for orbital magnetic moment of an electron rotating around the nucleus in an atom. Or, see here, you have another question, that is the type of only question is changed but meaning is same. Or obtain expression for magnetic moment of an electron revolving around the nucleus of an atom. See here, consider an electron is revolving around positively charged nucleus in a circular orbit as a simple model. A negatively charged electron is revolving in an orbit is equivalent to a small current loop. Now see here diagram or figure, that is simple electron revolving around the nucleus. Here in diagram, loop is considered here. Small r is the radius of this loop or circle. E is electron revolving in anticlockwise sense around this nucleus, central part of this is nucleus. Small m bar magnetic moment, I is current flowing through this circular loop, and capital L bar is angular momentum. See here, let 2 pi r is equal to circumference of circular orbit, capital T is equal to time period, r is the radius of circular orbit. Now other notations, that is E minus, L bar and M bar and I, these are also described here. Now current is capital I is equal to charge upon time. Therefore capital I is equal to small e upon t, equation number 1. Now time period is capital T is equal to 2 pi divided by omega. See here, reason is given. Omega is equal to V divided by R, where omega is equal to angular speed. Now see here, T is equal to 2 pi divided by omega, but omega is equal to V by R. Therefore T is equal to 2 pi into capital I divided by V. Question number 2. Now, therefore, next step here, I is equal to E into omega divided by 2 pi. But I is equal to small e divided by t. Therefore, I is equal to E into capital V divided by 2 pi r, equation number 3. Now, orbital magnetic moment is small m of ORB is equal to capital I into capital A. Therefore, capital M orbital is equal to small m into V divided by 2 pi r into pi r square. See here, since capital A is equal to pi into r square, that is capital A is called as area of circle. Hence, capital M orbital is equal to 1/2 into small e into VR. This is called as equation number 4. Now see here, if only magnetic moment, orbital magnetic moment asked, then we have to write up to this point, equation number 4. But when we have asked orbital angular momentum, then expression is again in this way. Orbital angular momentum is capital L is equal to small m of E into VR, where small m of E is equal to mass of an electron. Therefore, equation number 4 can be written as m of orbital is equal to small e divided by twice m of E into m of E into VR is equal to small e divided by 2 m of E into capital L. This is called as equation number 5. Now equation 5 shows that orbital magnetic moment is proportional to angular momentum. But as electron has negative charge, m bar of orbital and L bar are vectors in opposite directions and perpendicular to plane of the orbit. Now in vector form, m bar of orbital is equal to minus e divided by twice into m of e into L bar, equation number 6. The ratio small e divided by twice me is called as gyromagnetic ratio. Now, from second postulate of Bohr's theory of hydrogen, atom of an electron revolving in a circular orbit, then the angular momentum is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. Therefore, capital L is equal to small m of E into VR is equal to n into h divided by 2 pi. Equation number 7. Putting this value of n in equation 6. Now see here equation number 6 is given as it is. Therefore, m orbital is equal to small e divided by twice me into nh upon 2 pi. Therefore, m orbital is equal to e into nh divided by 4 pi into m of e. Equation number 8. For the first orbit, n is equal to 1 and hence giving m orbital is equal to e into h divided by 4 pi me. Equation number 9. The quantity E into H divided by 4me is called as Bohr magneton. That is this quantity. The quantity E into H divided by 4 pi me is called as Bohr magneton.